Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wala. Dear brothers and sisters, assalamu alaikum. Here we are approaching the last odd night in Ramadan. And the following night will be the last night of Ramadan. And some of you might think, I didn't do much, it's too late. I'm not good enough. I missed the chance. Don't let shaitan and don't let your nafs play tricks on you. The Prophet ﷺ told his Sahaba, there is a night in Ramadan that Allah forgives his ibad. They said, Ya Rasulullah, is it Laylatul Qadr? He said, no, it's the last night in Ramadan. Ramadan, all of its nights are amazing. The first night, so much action. The gates of heaven open, the gates of hell closes, and Allah ties the shayateen. And on the last night, a night of forgiveness. And the last 10 nights are the nights that we seek Laylatul Qadr. Brothers and sisters, come back to Allah and come back with a broken heart. Nothing gets you so close to Allah Azza wa Jal like a broken heart in sujood. Brothers and sisters, the actions that you've missed in the beginning of Ramadan, do them tonight and tomorrow. Give charity if you didn't give charity. Ask for Allah's forgiveness. You know, people think, oh, I ask for Allah's forgiveness only if I do something wrong. No, we ask for Allah's forgiveness for not worshipping Allah good enough. Even if we don't do sins, our worship is lousy. Our a'mal are few and far in between our good deeds. So, asking for forgiveness, as in Surah Nuh, Allah Azza wa Jal said that Nuh told his people, ask for Allah's forgiveness, He will make the sky rain on you, يعني رزق. ويمددكم بأموال وبنين, and Allah will give you wealth, money and children, and He will make you gardens, and He will give you rivers. Subhanallah, how far does istighfar go? They say one of the Salihin was sitting down, Abdullah ibn Abbas, the cousin of the Prophet ﷺ. Someone came to him and said, complained, Ya Abdullah ibn Abbas, I'm in a financial trouble. I'm not making enough money. Give me something. He said, say astaghfirullah. Next, someone walks in. Ya Abdullah ibn Abbas, I have not have children. I don't have. He said, say astaghfirullah. Next, someone said, Ya Abdullah ibn Abbas, it's been not raining and it's drought. He said, say astaghfirullah. Other one said, Ya Abdullah ibn Abbas, my farm is not producing anything. He said, say astaghfirullah. They told him, how come in everybody who comes you say astaghfirullah? He said, that's actually the ayat in Surah Nuh. I didn't make anything up. Brothers and sisters, astaghfirullah is a way of life. Astaghfirullah, it means you are humble. Astaghfirullah, it means you don't insist on doing wrong again and again and again. Astaghfirullah means that you care about your relationship with Allah and you don't want that relationship broken. Astaghfirullah, it means that you're humble and that you are in a constant state of consciousness of what you're doing and saying. Brothers and sisters, this tongue, how many times did you lie with it? How many times did you backbite with it? How many times did you slander with it? How many times did you hurt people with it? How many times have you used it to say something that you shouldn't have said? Tonight and tomorrow is the time you use this tongue for what it was supposed to be used for what it was created for. Increase your istighfar, increase your dhikr, read Quran, ask for Allah's forgiveness, give charity, make up everything you wanted to do from the beginning of Ramadan and you couldn't do it yet, make it now. It's never too late. The Sahaba used to say, the winner is not the one who started early. It's not the one who came in the beginning. The winner is the one who came and he's honest and truthful, even if he comes late. Brothers and sisters, there is never too late with Allah. You're still alive. You're still breathing. Come back. Islam is beautiful. The Quran is beautiful. Allah is beautiful and He loves beauty, as the Prophet ﷺ said. The Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ is beautiful and it's the best thing you can practice in your life. It makes your life beautiful. Your life after death, it becomes beautiful. Your day of judgment becomes easy and you enter the house of peace, Al-Jannah. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant us that. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.